Today I'm going to show you a breakfast that's both filling and satisfying and will give you enough protein and energy to get through your morning workout. I'm always looking for a way to up my protein without adding too many extra calories. So my breakfast of choice these days are pancakes, but not just regular pancakes, protein boosted power pancakes. This stuff is going to get you charged up. To start off, Kodiak Pancake Mix. This stuff is more balanced than your regular pancake mix, and it gives you added pea protein, which is always a plus. Secret ingredient, PB Fit, peanut butter powder. If you're a peanut butter fan, I recommend using this over regular peanut butter all the time. You add some water to it, it tastes just like regular peanut butter, but it cuts down on the fat and calories. This stuff is a gold mine. Make sure you look into this. Egg whites. Can't boost your protein without egg whites. If you're looking to get that protein up, you're going to be eating a lot of eggs and a lot of egg whites. It's good protein, low calorie, and I'll show you how to whip them and add them to the pancake batter so that your pancakes stay nice and fluffy. Speaking of which, normally when you whip up egg whites, you add sugar to it. It's like for meringues and stuff, right? But we're not going to do that. So there's another secret ingredient here that you can use to keep those peaks in the egg whites nice and fluffy. And it's cream of tartar. And I love saying the word tartar. Tartar. Cream of tartar. Now you still need liquid for your batter. And milk is usually what's used, sometimes water. But when I use milk, I tend to replace it with Fairlife chocolate protein drink. It is a ton of protein, right? And you gotta kind of thin it out because it's not really meant to be used as a milk. But man, does it work if you use it right, and it just like shoots that protein up to where you want it to be. Here's the deal. I'm gonna put the dry ingredients and the Fairlife in here, and then I'm gonna show you how to whip egg whites with some cream of tartar, and then we're gonna cook it on the skillet, induction setting 6, which is like medium-high heat on your stove, and use some Pam, no butter. So we're doing this no butter, no sugar. You'll see how they turn out. And if you try it at home and you think it's disgusting, let me know. And if you have a better way to do it, I'll try it. You know, why not? Half a cup of Kodiak, 1 tablespoon of PB Fit. We're gonna put 1/4 cup of egg whites into the batter, and we're gonna whip the other 1/4 of egg whites with some cream of tartar. Also going to use half a cup of Fairlife. I still use syrup on my pancakes when they're done, but it's like less than a tablespoon. So I'll put all the nutritional information below and you can see if this concoction works for you. But that's up to you and your registered dietitian and your needs and what your goals are and all that kind of stuff. So this works for me. Let's start cooking. For whipping the egg whites, we're going to use 1/4 cup of liquid egg whites, and 1/4 teaspoon of the cream of tartar. So we're going to start with a low setting, and you're going to see what happens to the egg whites. See, you can see the egg whites are nice and bubbly. From here, we're gonna put the whisk on a higher setting, and we're just gonna hit these suckers until they're whipped. And go even higher setting, highest setting. This does take some time, so you gotta be patient with it. Now we're getting there. We're almost done. And we are done. And you can tell you're done because I lifted the whisk out and it made a peak that kind of like folded over a little bit, kind of like a Smurf hat. We got some peaks in there and it's nice and fluffy. All right, we've got our egg whites whipped, but now what do we do with them? The thing about egg whites is they get fluffy because the air is trapped in them. And you don't want to stir it into the mix because then you're going to deflate all of those bubbles and it defeats the purpose of having whipped the egg whites in the first place. So I've got my batter back here, and you can see this is not ideal for making pancakes. First trick about egg whites, when you fluff them, when you whip them, is you take a little bit and you put it into the batter. It kind of prepares the batter for the rest of the egg whites for you to fold it in. So I take about a spoonful, big spoonful, and I just throw it in there. And now I'm gonna mix these up. And you'll see it loosens up the batter, right? And it gets it ready for the folding process. So, how to fold in egg whites. I'm gonna dump the rest of the egg whites in here, and this is the process. You cut, bring it up from the bottom, rotate the bowl. Cut, bring it up from the bottom, rotate the bowl. A lot of people use a spatula. I use a big spoon. I just find it easier to get around the sides of the bowl than the spatula. All right, let's fold in these egg whites. We're gonna cut, fold, turn. Cut, fold, turn. Keep doing that. By doing it this way, you're being very gentle with the eggs. Eggs are very gentle. When you make omelets, you should always use low heat. When you whip them, you should always take extra care. They're like little babies who need to be swaddled, or else they have temper tantrums and they ruin your day. In this case, if your eggs have a temper tantrum, they'll ruin your pancakes. But if you are gentle and sweet and cuddly with the egg whites, they will make your batter nice and fluffy. Look at this. Look at how nice, fluffy, and ready for the griddle they are. We're gonna spray some Pam on this guy. I don't use butter. The way you know that your pancake's ready to flip is it's gonna start crusting around the sides and the bubbles are gonna start popping, leaving dry batter underneath. If you wait too long, they burn. So I always kind of like lift a corner, see how they're looking. This looks pretty good. Gonna swap that over. Made a bit of a mess on the side there, but that's okay. I think it adds to the presentation. Look at that. Starting to crust around the sides. We want to wait for those bubbles. Swiftly grab it, flip it, let it cook on the other side. More Pam. Flip it. So there you have it. Fluffy, high protein pancakes with whipped egg whites. And now my favorite part, I get to eat it.